Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Cat with Hat Crypto / TV Josh, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to migrate your wallet from Station Wallet to KEPLR Wallet. I'll be doing this through making a new wallet on Station right here on the video. So just to make sure, my wallets, I'm going to add a new wallet, and it's going to be new. So my new Station wallet, let's call it YouTube video. I mean, it doesn't really matter because it doesn't matter, but this is the recovery phrase. Let's copy this and I will write it down on a notepad somewhere. All that is just for my mining stuff. Right, so let's copy this. Let's copy that all down there. That is all copied. Boom, done. I've written down the recovery phrase. So 11th word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is traffic. And then the third word is position. So there we go, nice and done. Set a password. Doesn't really matter, but there we go. This is our wallet. We've just got into crypto, and this is our wallet. And Station is down, and you need KEPLR wallet, the Lunk. Oh yeah, by the way, this is for the Lunk. Everything seems to work fine on the mainnet for Luna. It's just a few problems with the classic chain last upgrade, which will probably be fixed. Maybe, maybe not. However, anyway, let's get on to the KEPLR side of things. So, you can either download the extension for KEPLR wallet here, and you can add a wallet, and then import an existing wallet, and use recovery phrase. So, ours is 24, I believe, isn't it? Yeah, 24. So 24 words. Here we go. So I'm just going to copy and paste the words here, the document I got. So there we go. So all the stuff here, boom, boom, boom. Let's import. Let's call it GGGGG. So there we go, nice and easy. Look at that, imported, and then you can select the chain. So obviously we want Terra Classic. Boom, and then finish. And now when we go to KEPLR, we'll see the new wallet, and then to confirm it, all we do is go to Terra Classic, UI, and then the wallet here also ends in UI. There you go, and that is how you swap the that is how you import your wallet to KEPLR wallet. There is also another way. Let me just delete the wallet. Wait, what password? Set a password. Huh? I didn't set a password. Let's see if it works. That password. Okay, it did. So there you go. Let's go to add wallet, import existing. That the private key. So with Station, you can now also export your wallet. Get a don't know how that password's working, but so there we go. Boom, boom, boom. That's it anyway. Let me check. For me, I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, that is how you import your wallet to import a wallet from Station to KEPLR, and then you won't lose anything. Everything will be there. If you go to KEPLR, let me just go to my wallet here. So if you go to KEPLR here, click on staked, and you'll be able to see staked assets. Well, this is some stuff from my other wallet. You'll be able to see a Lunk stake balance here, and then you can just claim unstake stake on the KEPLR dashboard by clicking here. I like KEPLR for doing IBC transfers. It's nice and easy. But there we go. So look at that. You can click here. Apparently it's 10.34 APR for Terra Classic. And yeah, that's how you select a stake, show up on the main desk here. Boom. So that is how you that. So yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next how-to video.